Hi guys, and welcome to another video. And this time I'm going to be taking a look at this LG phone that I have. So I have no charger to test it, but the phone looks quite good, and it also has the battery, which is apparently one with the whole back cover of the phone. Let me get it out to show you guys. Alright, so here's the battery. It's in one piece with the back cover, and here is the phone model. So this would be the first flip phone that I'll fix on the channel, and I'm quite happy about that. So I'm gonna go online, try to find a charger that would fit here, and hope I'll find what I need. So see you guys then. Alright, so now that I have the charger, let's see if it fits. Okay, so this should be the front, and it's a perfect fit. And this was quite a nice feature. You had to press these two buttons here in order to release the charger. As you can see, it has these two pins here and here, and if I press it, they go in. This was quite a nice feature in the past, because the charger would never go out if you didn't press the two buttons. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it in, see if it works, and I'll be back after. Alright, so I put it to charge, and for the moment I don't have anything. Or maybe there is a light here, I don't quite know. Maybe there is. Right, so I'm gonna let it charge for a little bit longer, and I'll be back after. Alright guys, so after a little while the phone is charging. It says here charging. So I'm hoping that it works. I'm gonna let it charge a little bit longer and then power it up, see if it works. Oh, the back screen also lights up, which is nice. Okay, so I'll be back after it charges and I can power it up. Alright guys, so I managed to power it up, and it's asking for a SIM card. So this is a good sign that it's functioning. And yeah, I'm gonna test it, see in what mobile networks it works in my country. I think that Singular is from Spain, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I'm gonna test it a little bit after, and this seems to be working fine. And hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of videos of me fixing older phones or maybe newer phones. And yeah, see you next time.